Hello, I am Saurabh Jagdish Sonone and today's Viva topic is wrapper classes. In Java provides a way to wrap or represent the value of primitive data types as an object by creating an object to the wrapper. Class field is created and in this field we can store primitive data types. It also include methods to unwrap the object back into the primitive data types. It is one of the classes provided in the Java language package and all of the primitive wrapper classes in Java are immutable. Primitive data types. Primitive data types acts as the basic building blocks of data manipulation in Java. But for better understanding about the wrapper classes, let us first understand what the data types and specifically primitive data types. Java is a statically typed programming language, which means that any variable cannot be used without its declaration. They must be declared first before they can be used. So for declaring the variables we use data types. Data type is basically the type of variable which determines the value it may contain and the operations that may be performed on it. Data types in Java are divided into the following two categories. Then first one is the primitive data types. The primitive data types are inbuilt or predefined in Java. The 8 primitive data types include byte, short, int, integer, long, float, double and character. This is predefined by the language and is named by a reverse keyword. Then second one is the non-primitive data types. The non-primitive data types are created by the programmer and are not predefined in Java. Expect string. The non-primitive data types include strings, arrays and classes, etc. We have discussed about the primitive data types in earlier session. Since the primitive data types cannot be directly used as objects, that's why wrapper classes come into picture. Generic classes work with objects and don't support primitives. As a result, wrapper classes are needed as they convert primitive data types into objects, and objects are really important if we need to modify the arguments passed in a method. Now let's discuss in detail about the wrapper classes. Why do we need wrapper classes in Java? Whenever the primitive data types are required as an object, wrapper classes can be used. Thank you so much.